HP 15.6 inches HD touchscreen laptop notebook computer. Review deal discount unboxing setup. 15.6 inches HD, 1366 by 768, touchscreen LED backlight, bright view glossy screen maintains the vivid colors in your photos and videos. Built-in HP TrueVision HD webcam with dual array digital microphone, makes it easy to video chat with family and friends or teleconference with colleagues over Skype or other popular applications. Automatically adjusts for available light. Ryzen 5, enjoy high application performance and smoother gaming experiences with AMD Ryzen 5 processors, with machine intelligence, multitasking capabilities and efficient architecture with up to 6 cores and 12 processing. AMD Radeon Vega 8, integrated graphics chipset with shared video memory provides solid image quality for internet use, movies, basic photo editing and casual gaming. 8 GB system memory for advanced multitasking, substantial high bandwidth RAM to smoothly run your games and photo and video editing applications, as well as multiple programs and browser tabs all at once. 128 GB solid-state drive, PCIe, save files fast and store more data. With massive amounts of storage and advanced communication power, PCIe SSDs are great for major gaming applications, multiple servers, daily backups, and more. Wireless and wired network connectivity. Built-in high-speed wireless LAN connects to your network or hotspots on the most common Wi-Fi standards. The Gigabit Ethernet LAN port also plugs into wired networks. HDMI output expands your viewing options. Connect to an HD TV or high-def monitor to set up 2 screens side by side or just see more of the big picture. Windows 10 operating system. Windows 10 brings back the Start menu from Windows 7 and introduces new features, like the Edge web browser that lets you mark up web pages on your screen. Arrived quick, packed well, and works perfectly. I love that it has touchscreen, love that it has a DVD player, and love that it has SSD. Wish it had a backlit keyboard. That's the only thing that was missing from my wish list. But overall I love it. If you're looking for a simple laptop for work or simple tasks, this one is perfect. It doesn't have a whole lot of extra storage, but it's very fast and easy to use. The picture quality on the screen is so-so, and the battery life is just okay, but that doesn't bother me much for what I use it for. For the price, it's an excellent deal. I was a little skeptical on the resolution being 1366 by 768 instead of 1920 by 1080 for the size of the screen, but it has a very nice display. And having the SSD greatly increases the boot time. Thumbs up on this. Special discounts on product. Get the discount link in the description box.